My name is Rosario Hinojosa, and I'm going to talk to you about the in-services that we have at the Instituto Cultural. Maybe you have been wondering what is an in-service. Well, an in-service is a meeting that is held in the Instituto Cultural. Normally, most of our staff or of teachers assist to these little meetings. These little meetings are about upgrades in the institute, also about teaching techniques. We talk about the techniques we use, how well they work, tips to help us teach students, make it fun. Um, but we're also going to talk today about not only what is an in-service, but also about our last in-service, which was the 21st of May, in which some of our teachers shared with us a lot of teaching techniques. The first person who talked to us in this service was Miss Kathy Green. She was telling us, or she was working with us with little teaching games, so students will feel more engaged and will also have fun while they are learning, which is very important in a classroom. She showed us different things that we could use whenever technology is not available, which is really good because we tend to rely a lot on technology and we forget that there's other things that we can also use to teach and to have fun with our students. And well, as you can see, our teacher Kathy Green made us participate in some of these activities so that we could really see that they work and that the students will also have fun while they're learning. After she finished her presentation, the teacher Miguel Perez shows some ways to work with videos and students and also teaching techniques, which was very interesting because we watched a small fragment of this science fiction movie. Show us a fragment of the movie Star Wars, and it was very fun because we had to remember and get into like the shoes of the character, and well, that helps also the students like practice vocabulary, intonation, speaking, feelings. You can practice a lot of stuff with that, so it was very interesting. It was nice to have some of his tips for teaching. And well, after that, now you will see some of the scenes from the in-service in which we participated in this interesting teaching technique that the teacher Miguel Perez showed us. As you can see, we're having a lot of fun. Also in this in-service, which are very interesting as we have mentioned before, Daniel Perez was giving us the news that we're about to start with a new testing center from Oxford, which is going to have a great variety of exams. This is great because students will have the chance to choose from a very big catalog of exams that can help them at some point obtain a certification in the English language. They won't have only one choice like in most schools have. They will have some of them that they can choose from according to the needs they have. Well, he mentioned the dates, some of the exams. As you can see on the pictures, he shows the name of the exams and how they work. And well, let's see if that information will be useful for you. And well, as you can see, the sessions are something in which we have fun and we also learn teaching techniques for our students and share a lot of the information that we normally can't share on our daily work because we're always busy or teaching, so we can have some time to talk to other teachers as well. I hope that you have liked the information. This is all for today. This is Rosario Hinojosa, and well, I would like to remind you that the Instituto Cultural is one of the best schools for learning English.